Hey everyone, it's Steve from itmakessenseblog.com, and today is video 2 of Document the Journey, and I'm on my way to my 9 to 5, and this is what I'm dealing with. This is what I deal with every morning when I go to work. It's 7:24, but as much as this sucks, I will tell you coming up what's the silver lining in this, so stay tuned. It is October, and I live in Michigan, which means snow is coming, which means that this commute is going to get even worse. So I'm really looking forward to that. And on my way to work, before I started this on my online career, if you will, I would listen to sports talk radio because I'm a huge sports fan. But if you know Michigan and Detroit sports, and even if you don't, we don't have much to root for right now. And I'm also a University of Michigan grad, and so my football team there isn't doing well. So the silver lining with all this is that I've actually started listening to podcasts. And that has been a game changer for me because if you think about it, it takes me an hour to get to work roughly and an hour and a half to get back. So I'm listening to podcasts, and instead of listening to the negativity that is Detroit sports, I'm getting a full education in my car. So 2 hours a day, roughly 10 hours a week, I'm getting just knowledge, which has been amazing. And there are a few podcasts that I just absolutely have to dial into every week. There's Amy Porterfield, obviously Russel Brunson's Marketing Secrets, ClickFunnels Radio. I listen to Steve Larson, and I've listened to so many different podcast episodes that I've actually gone and put together a top 50 list, if you will. And I'm giving that to anyone that subscribes to my email list, and I'm also giving that to as part of one of my bonus stacks for if you subscribe through ClickFunnels or Legendary Marketer. So if you want access to that podcast list, go to my website. I'll leave a link down below, and I will send you this PDF of my top 50 podcasts. Now, I've separated it into 3 different areas. One is, the first is mindset, which to me is the absolute crucial first step that you need to get right before you start this journey. I didn't have a great mindset, which is probably why I'm actually back into the 9 to 5 gig. And so the mindset area is filled with some really, really good podcast episodes. The second one is motivation, because as all entrepreneurs know, that there are some days like today, all this construction, that you need the motivation to keep going. So there's a good section on that, and or a good list of episodes on motivation with motivational episodes. The third is the tools and the tactics that you can use to implement no matter what you're doing. If you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're doing drop shipping, if you're doing Amazon FBA, I have some episodes in there that'll show you some really cool tips and strategies that you can implement in your own business. So if you want a copy of that PDF, I'll leave a link down below that'll take you to where you can put in your email address, and then I'll send it to you. So that is today's episode. Really short. Probably should focus on the road because I'm getting into some merging traffic here and the orange barrels. This is part of a 14-year project. They are going to, I'm on I-75, and this goes from all the way to the tip of the mitten of Michigan, all the way down to the Keys of Florida. So this is a really long highway. And in Michigan, we have terrible roads. I don't know if I said terrible enough. I think I'm underestimating how bad our roads are. And they are redoing this whole highway from basically where I live all the way down to almost Detroit, which is a 30-mile stretch, and it's a 14-year project. So just another reason why I can't wait to quit my 9-to-5. But anyway, again, if you want that list of podcasts, go click on the link below, and I thank you for listening in. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you like my documenting my journey, like I said, these are all unscripted, these are all unedited. Leave a like and comment down below to see if there's any other content that you want to see me do. And I will see you guys in the next episode.